Google just dropped something completely wild, and you need to hear about it. It's called Nano Banana Pro. I know, the name sounds hilarious, but don't let it fool you. This is Google's most powerful AI image generation tool ever, and it's built on their brand new Gemini 3 Pro model. Today, I am breaking down the 5 biggest things you absolutely have to know about this new AI, what it can do, how it works, and why creators, students, and professionals are getting so hyped. So sit tight, because Nano Banana Pro might just change the way you create visuals forever. First up, what exactly is Nano Banana Pro? Simply put, it's Google's brand new AI image generator, and it's a massive upgrade. It runs on Gemini 3 Pro, which is way more advanced than the previous Nano Banana model that used Gemini 2.5 Flash Image. What does that mean for you? It means it's smarter, more accurate, and understands what you want on a much deeper level, producing incredibly realistic visuals. Whether you're designing something for work, trying to explain a complex topic for school, or prototyping a new idea, this tool turns your thoughts into clean, high-quality images in seconds. Think of it as the next evolution of Google's imaging AI, but on steroids. Now for its biggest superpower, Nano Banana Pro can turn any rough idea into a polished visual. And I mean any idea. You can give it your messy scribbles, your half-baked concepts scribbled on a napkin, or even just a few bullet points about a classroom topic, and it will convert them into clear, organized diagrams or beautiful images. Imagine this. You draw a terrible, shaky sketch of a flowchart for your team. Nano Banana Pro takes that sketch and transforms it into a professional-looking diagram, perfectly aligned and easy to read. Or maybe you jot down some quick notes for a social media post. Bam, it becomes an infographic. You can even just explain a scientific concept in plain text, and it will generate a visual explanation that makes it easy for anyone to understand. This is a massive leap forward for students, educators, designers, and content creators. No more wrestling with complicated design software. Nano Banana Pro does all the hard work for you: the cleaning, formatting, arranging, and visualizing. This next part is where it gets really insane. Nano Banana Pro isn't just generating images from its training data. It connects directly with Google Search in real time. This means it can pull real-world, up-to-the-minute information while it's creating your image. For example, let's say you ask for a diagram about today's weather in New York City. It can pull the actual current conditions and incorporate them into the visual. Need a snapshot related to a live sports game? It can use the latest scores and updates. Or if you want an image for a recipe, it can include the correct ingredients and steps based on popular current search results. This feature makes the visuals not just creative, but factually correct and constantly updated. No other major AI image tool is doing this at this level right now. It's a game changer for creating content that's both beautiful and accurate. For years, one of the biggest fails for AI art tools has been putting text inside images. We've all seen it: the misspellings, the weird melty fonts, the broken words. It just never looked right. Well, Nano Banana Pro seems to have finally fixed that. Google says it can now handle much longer sentences, with way more accurate spelling and cleaner formatting. And it supports multiple languages. So, if you're creating posters for an event, study notes for a big exam, graphics for social media, or slides for a presentation, your text will finally look like it was designed by a human. The multilingual support is a huge win for marketers and educators who need to localize their content for different regions. You can now do it with a single prompt, saving a ton of time and effort. Let's talk about creative control, because Nano Banana Pro comes with some serious studio-level features. This isn't just a point-and-click generator. You can fine-tune your image like a real photographer or artist. You can tell the AI to adjust things like camera angles, from a wide shot to a close-up. You can control the depth of field to create that blurry background effect. You can even change the lighting, from bright daylight to a moody, cinematic night scene, and play with different composition styles. On top of that, it supports 4K high-resolution image generation, which is a major upgrade from the previous version. But here's the craziest part. It can combine up to 14 different input images into one scene, and it can maintain consistency for up to 5 characters across multiple images. This allows you to build complex scenes like a family photo with different variations, product shots in different environments, or even create character-based stories with consistent visuals. This capability alone puts Nano Banana Pro way ahead of most public image generators available today. So, where can you actually use this thing? The great news is Google isn't keeping Nano Banana Pro locked away. It's rolling out everywhere across Google's ecosystem. You'll be able to use it directly in the Gemini app under the Create Images option. It's coming to Google Ads for advertisers, Google Slides for presentations, and even Google Vids for content creators. It will also be integrated into other Google Workspace tools. For developers, it will be available through the Gemini API AI Studio and Vertex AI. And for global subscribers, it's being added to Notebook LM now. Free Gemini users will get limited access to try it out before it switches them back to the older version. But Gemini Plus, Pro, and Ultra subscribers will get much higher usage limits. This shows that the tool isn't just for hobbyists. It's built for students, creators, professionals, businesses, and developers who need powerful, reliable visual tools in their daily workflow. So, to recap, Nano Banana Pro is giving us smarter, more accurate image generation using Gemini 3 Pro. It has the incredible ability to turn messy ideas into clean visuals. It pulls in real-time world knowledge through Google Search. It finally fixes text rendering and adds multi-language support. And it offers 4K images, professional creative controls, and complex multi-scene consistency. Google is clearly pushing AI imagery into a new era, one that's smarter, more connected, and extremely practical. If you're a creator, teacher, designer, student, or business owner, Nano Banana Pro might just become one of the most useful AI tools you touch in the coming year. What do you think? Are you excited to try it? If you want to see a video on how to use Nano Banana Pro, the best prompts to use, or some of its secret features, just drop a comment below and let me know. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on those notifications for more AI updates.